Hey, Andy here at InfoComm 2025 at the AVPro booth, and we are really excited to be showcasing our new AVPro Flow technology. And AVPro Flow is our next-gen communication and distribution technology, and this is integrated into a couple new products that we're going to have. So right here, we have our new 10G multi-stream encoder and decoder. So what that allows us to do is use SDVoE and H.265 out of one device. And we also are showcasing our new USP series, which is H.265 and H.264 based transceivers that are also built off of AVPro Flow. So AVPro Flow is really designed to create hybrid AV workflows, and that means that we can mix and match a 10 gig system with a 1 gig H.265 system to create hybrid workflows. So if you needed zero latency, you can use an SDVoE system, but if you needed low cost, we can also integrate that into the same exact system on the same switch without having to have any converters or extra devices on the network. So if you want to learn more about AVPro Flow or MXNet 10G or USP, you can visit avproedge.com.